Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extensions. In this video, I will show you how to use the Moz Chrome extension for SEO. This extension helps you check website authority, spam score, keyword and basic SEO details directly in your browser. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Moz. The first extension you will see Mozbar. Click on it. Then click on add to Chrome, then click add extension. After installing, pin the extension from the Chrome toolbar like this. Now you may need to sign in to create a account. Just click on the Moz icon. Here you will see welcome to Mozbar. For this you can sign in or log in your Gmail account. After successful sign in, just simply search any of the website. Like I am searching for this Google. Click on this extension. Here you will see it will displaying in the task search bar like page authority predicts how well a specific page will rank on search engine. It's 55. Domain authority is 100. So you can just simply here you will see links to page, spam score, all the information regarding the page SEO. Like it will loading the details for this page. Now you will see in this page there are the number of links to this page. For more detail you can go for pro version. In the pro version you can all the premium access. Here you will see page links like internal 15, external, no follow, and all links are this. You can check SEO for any website. Like we will check for ChatGPT. Here you will see 39 page authority. There are 37 internal links, page analysis, link matrices, domain authority, page authority. Here you will also you can change the position of this like this, left, right, top and bottom. Mozbar is useful for blogger, SEO beginners, digital marketers and website owners. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Mozbar Chrome extension for SEO. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy and useful extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.